What's the meaning of commit? Commit. Commit.
Commit. Commit. The word commit has various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to making a pledge or promise, being dedicated to a cause or activity, or taking action to complete a task. It can also refer to engaging in a crime or wrongdoing. In computing, committing refers to the act of saving changes to a code repository. Regardless of context, the result of committing is typically a sense of obligation or responsibility to follow through on the commitment made.